to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled issue. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix temporarily locked Snapchat account. Well, if your Snapchat account is temporarily disabled, you can try logging in and selecting unlock. So if you haven't permanently disabled, if your account is permanently banned, you won't get this option. But if it is not been permanently banned, if it is just temporarily banned, then if you try and log into your account, then on the pop-up it will show the unblock option. So unblock or unlock option, you can try selecting that. If that doesn't work, you can wait 48 hours before trying again. If you see an appeal option, follow the steps to appeal the decision. If none of these steps work, you may need to contact Snapchat support for further assistance. So hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.